I believe today's marks not just the signing of a letter of intent, but the beginning of a deeper cultural partnership between Government of Assam and British Museum. The movement of such a treasure textile across continents is not merely logistical, it is symbolic. It reflects trust, friendship, and a mutual respect that binds our democracies and our peoples. I look forward to expanding this cooperation in the years to come through academic exchange, collaborative exhibitions, conservation partnership, and cultural dialogue. Once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the leadership and staff of the British Museum, the High Commission of India, scholars, conservators, JSW Foundation, and everyone who has worked tirelessly to this outcome. I must specially mention about Mr. Manoj Badale and Sri Ranjit Borthakur. This is a historic moment for Assam, a moment of pride, a moment of reconnection with our heritage, and a moment that will be remembered for generations. Jai Assam, Jai Hind.